Hey guys, I am Anna and a ton of you have been asking a bunch of questions about training, weightlifting, what progressive overload is, and those videos are going to be coming down the road very soon. First, I wanted to share the gadgets and a couple of supplements that I think are necessary when you want to start training. So let's just jump right in. First up, we have the Barbell Pad. This guy is necessary if you guys are going to be doing hip thrusts. That's pretty much all I use it for. I really don't think you need it when you are squatting, or what else people use it for. I think it's mainly squats, but you don't need this for squatting, okay? We train like freaking savage beasts. So tampon on your back, no, my friend. But for hip thrust, yes, because if you don't use this when you're doing hip thrust, you're gonna break your hip in half. Next up, we have wrist straps. These are super helpful for me when I am doing deadlifts, because if you deadlift a lot, you will notice that you will start getting a lot of calluses on your hands. And since I am doing progressive overload, I up the weight more and more each time. And sometimes I got to the point where I couldn't even hold the barbell because my hands were hurting so bad, even though my body had enough strength to keep going. So with these wrist straps, you will never ever have the problem of bursting, bleeding, calluses, or blisters on your hands. Your hands are still gonna be rough from other things that you might be doing, like if you're picking up dumbbells, but I promise you your hands will never ever bleed again. Then we have workout bands. These are awesome if you like doing booty workouts, if you're hip thrusting, or if you're doing squats and you want to target a different muscle group. These are the best ones I have ever found because they are never going to snap on your legs. The ones that I have are the hardest ones, the ones that apparently have the most weight. The material in these are high quality. I've had them for a while and they look brand new. Then we have my trusty dusty Pulse pre-workout. This is the best pre-workout I have ever tried. If you show this pre-workout to any trainer that you know, that you trust, they will look at it and they're gonna be like, dang, this is good. So the first time you take it, you can take 1 scoop if you are sensitive towards caffeine. But I think I'm addicted to this. I always know that I will get a good workout by taking this. So whenever I feel unmotivated, whenever I feel tired or sick, I'm just like, girl, drag your butt to the gym, take your pre-workout, you know you're gonna be fine. And I am always fine after taking this. And I know it sounds like magic. It probably is the closest thing to magic that I have ever experienced. Another thing that I have that it's not really necessary, but I do like having, is this little guy from Lush. This body butter has cinnamon and eucalyptus and different things like that are good for your muscles when they are sore. You can see that there's tiny little, well, not super tiny, but there's little beads all around. They're like little beans actually. And you just rub this onto your skin and the warmth of your body starts melting the butter, and it just helps with the soreness on your lower back after deadlifts, or on your legs after leg day, on your butt after you do hip thrust like a beast. So I've been buying these. I rub them on my neck and they just feel really good, you know, especially if you don't have someone who loves you enough to give you a back rub. Last but certainly not least, if you are going to train like a beast, you need to invest in wireless and soundproof headphones. The two that I love the most are AirPods, because they are tiny. You can share them with your gym buddy if your gym buddy forgets their headphones. My gym buddy is my brother. He always forgets his. The sound quality on these is really good. They won't come out of your ears unless you are doing cable crunches and like your hand hits your ear, but other than that, these are not gonna come out of your ears. And like I said, the sound quality is amazing. The other headphones I love for the gym are Beats. They are amazing because you can literally hear nothing else than your music at the gym. With the AirPods, sometimes if the music is extremely loud, because sometimes there's people doing classes and stuff like that close to the squat racks, you can hear a hint of something with the AirPods, but with these, nothing. You hear nothing. I can barely even hear my voice. The only problem that I have with these is that if you get sweaty, this part right here is gonna get super wet. And I don't even sweat that much. It's kind of gross. I mean, nothing's gonna be perfect in life, you know? You can only try to be the best and try to get the best stuff. So that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed looking at all the things I use for the gym. If you guys want to know about which shoes are best for training or which backpacks, or just if you're curious about anything, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're here for the first time ever, make sure to subscribe. If you have not turned on your notification bell, make sure to do it so you never ever miss my videos. And I guess I will see you on my next one. I love you. Bye.